We got personality. I feel like anytime I film, my eyebrows, my armpits are never shaved. Hello guys, welcome. What's up? We're gonna be talking about 14 karat gold jewelry that I bought from Mejuri. Everything that's in here is 14 karat gold jewelry. The reason that I got all 14 karat pieces is because I'm like, I think I've reached a point in my life where I kind of want some staples, you know what I mean? And I never thought that I could afford solid pieces because I was like, ugh, I don't want to spend $400 per piece, you know what I mean? But I actually didn't realize how inexpensive Mejuri solid gold pieces are. Let's go through them. Let's do it. You better work. First of all, I want to mention that at the checkout at Mejuri, you can opt for First of all, I want to mention at Mejuri, you can opt for more greener packaging, and this is what I got in terms of packaging. So it came in like a cardboard box like this, and it came in all these little cartons like this, and I have some drawstring bags as well. So this is like their version of a more green and sustainable packaging. I have no idea what it would look like if it weren't sustainable, because it's actually my first time shopping at Mejuri, which is crazy, actually, now that I think about it. So I chose this more sustainable option, and it was the same price, which I like. So anyways, by the way, guys, I want to show you everything that I bought, but I think I'm gonna return most of it. Okay, we'll get there, we'll get there. Okay, so the first piece that I got, I'm showing you this box. That's not helpful. First piece that I got are these beaded huggie hoops. They are 14 karat solid gold, like I mentioned. And these originally retail for $178. I got these for $160 because I used my sister's discount code. I will share that in the description box. But let me show you what these look like on. Let me just put these on. So this is what it looks like on. Very subtle, very tiny, very cute. I like the little beaded details. It's not just like a solid hoop. Like if it were a solid hoop, I feel like a pirate, you know what I mean? Okay, so I think this video is gonna be really helpful, especially if you're not sure what it's actually gonna look like in real life, because I pictured these hoops to be a lot thicker and chunkier, but this is what they look like from afar. It almost looks like I'm not really wearing anything. So this could be really good if you're like trying to shower and sleep and like not take these off, but I guess like the price point reflects how much like actual gold, right? Because like this was $160 and they're like really tiny. So just expect to have a lot smaller pieces with this price point if you are looking for solid gold. Look how tiny these are. Very YouTube 2014, there we go. These are so small. And so like, if you're standing from afar, this is what it would look like. Very subtle, very small, very dainty, very everyday. Like if you're looking for something like a little bit bolder, you're gonna spend a little bit more if you're looking for the solid gold option. So these are the beaded huggie hoops. Moving on. I wanted to basically buy a bunch of things and then return the ones that I don't keep. Also, like, not sure if you guys care, but it does come with like a drawstring bag, a little jewelry finishing cloth, and yeah, like a box that looks like this. I personally think it's like a little much. Like I don't know if I necessarily need that. I don't know, do I need that? Nah, I don't need it. This is hilarious that these are called the bold huggie hoops. These are not bold at all. These are just a straight, small, little, super huggy hoop. They really touch the lobe. There's no space in between the lobe and the ear, which I think if there was a little bit of space, you would feel like a pirate. This is kind of like very, it's a huggy. It really hugs it. So this is like a bit chunkier than the one that I just tried on. It's a bit thicker, but I don't know. At first I couldn't decide which I liked more. I think I like the beaded one better. This to me is just a little bit like plain, you know? It's not as like dainty and elegant. This is just, I don't know, it's just like, at the end of the day, they're so tiny that you can't even tell the difference. But for me, I just kind of like the other ones. These, I'm glad that you're watching. That means that this is gonna be an engaging video. These are originally 198 Canadian, and I got these for 178 and 20 cents. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't think I'm gonna keep these. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep these, but this is what they look like. Wow, my eyebrows are, I did something, I don't know. But yeah, they are super subtle. And when I stand back, see what I mean? They just kind of get lost. Very tiny. All right, so I'm pretty sure that's it for earrings. Now let's move on to the rings. I really was in the market for a pinky ring. So I got some very plain and simple rings, but just in a size 3. That is my pinky ring size, and that is the smallest ring size they have. I think they go up to about a 10, so you can get them for any finger technically, but I decided to go for a pinky ring. I cannot believe I only got 4 items and I spent $600. Wait, let me just see. 1, 2, yeah, that's it. This is the one that I'm kind of torn on. This ring is the stacker ring. It is in a size 3, 14 karat gold, but this is why I'm torn, because it is so dainty and so pretty and so tiny. But when I look at this, I'm like, would I really spend $88? Actually, yeah, I would. That's worth it. $88 for this little piece of gold, okay. I'm like convincing myself to like hold on to this. I think this is really cute. So the reason why I like this is it's because it's super subtle and like understated. Oh my God, life is hard. I'm so sorry if this is really weird, because now we're jumping to my iPhone camera because my regular camera died, but we gotta get this show on the road. You know what I'm saying? That's my camera if you're curious. So this is like a very simple, chill ring that I'm obsessed with. This pinky ring is so comfortable to wear. It's so thin and so tiny. I am obsessed with the shape of it too. It's kind of like a curved band. So it's not like a straight cigar edge. It does have a bit of curving. And I really, really like the way that it fits. If this camera would focus. Hello? Hello? Hello. It's not like uncomfortable. With pinky rings, I always feel like I'm doing this and like playing with it, but this is just something that I feel like I could see myself wearing every single day. I really, really like this ring. If you guys are looking for something that's like a little bit more like understated and simple, this would be good. But if you guys are looking for something that's a little bit more intense, let me show you this next ring that I have. So I wanna say Jenna Lyons must be an influencer of sorts, because she collabed with Mejuri to make this signet, is that how you pronounce it? Signet ring. So this has like a black onyx stone in the center. It's got this like really regal detailing on the sides and little balls almost around the ring. So it's like very ornate. For me, I really like this, but I think this is like a little much for a pinky ring. This feels like it would be really nice like on your middle finger. You know what I mean? For me, this is just like a little extra. This is not solid gold. If this were solid gold, this would easily be $1,000. But this is the only vermeil piece that I got. So yeah, I really, really like this ring, but I don't think this would be like, I mean, what do you guys think? Is it like, I don't know, what do you think? Would you wear this as a pinky ring? For me, I feel like this is too much. This, of all the pieces that I've gotten so far, has the best detailing. If you're someone that wants something like very ornate, this would be the right choice for you. Okay, so what am I gonna keep? Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna bring back. Starting with this, I'm gonna bring this back. Oh, by the way, I feel like I didn't even tell you what the price was. Let me just double check. Okay, how crazy is this? This is $133, and if you think about this, that is more expensive than some of the solid gold pieces that I got. So honestly, for that reason alone, I mean, they're probably trying to make money because it's like a collab piece, and sometimes you have to sell things for higher price for that reason, but I don't want to pay a premium on a collab piece, so this is definitely gonna be a pass for me, even though it is pretty. This one right here, I'm going to keep. These are gonna be my everyday earrings, which I really like. I love the details. I think it fit really, yeah. I just really like this. This one, I'm gonna pass. I felt like a pirate. It didn't feel like special enough for me. Okay, and this one, this is a bit of a curveball. I think I'm gonna return this because as much as I like it on the pinky, I think it would be even nicer on this finger right here. You know what I mean? Like this. Like, is that cute? It is cute. But I think it would be even cuter here. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, actually. Maybe I will keep it as a pinky. But other than that, this has been fun. I will see you guys next week on another video. Oh, bye.